what are namespace, alias for namespace, and comments. So starting with the namespace, while we develop an application in C# programming, we use many classes from .NET framework, which is inbuilt classes and which is necessary to develop an application. So every time it is very much difficult to find and use that class, identify that class and use it. So in order to make our work easier, .NET framework has namespace. This namespace are nothing but a collection of class which is built in the .NET framework. So .NET consists of over 3500 classes inbuilt, and this namespace can be used in a programming while doing programming or coding by just writing a keyword system. This keyword system is the namespace in the .NET framework. So this was a traditional way of writing the program previously. In our display statement, we used to include the system keyword twice in order to make a program complete and to display the output statement. So now we will change the way which we used to write a program. Now we will use a directive called using, followed by the name of the namespace, which is system. So using directive that can be used to import the namespace system into the program. Once a namespace is imported, we can use the elements of the namespace without using the namespace as prefix. So here is the code. We will just include a directive called using, followed by the name of namespace, which is system, and here we will remove the system keyword which we used to write here twice a time, and try to save the program and run it. Now we will see it practically in a source code. So here is the notepad of a written program which we used to write previously. Now just write directive using, followed by the name of namespace. Do not forget to give the semicolon and remove the keyword system from here. Now save the program with the name of xyz.cs, and now we will run the program and see. So here we have compiled the program by writing csc xyz.cs. Now the program has been compiled successfully. Now we will see the output by running the executable file of the program xyz. So here it has displayed. C# is a programming language which we wanted to display. So by using this using keyword in the start of the program, and just by calling the namespace once, then again there is no need to write the keyword system again and again in a program. Now we have completed the program by writing the namespace name in the top of the program before declaring a class using system. Now you might be wondering that what if we include the keyword console in the using system name, means by writing system.console using system.console, will it be giving us the same output? So here the answer is that it won't give the output to us, as it will generate an error code. But if you want to include using system.console in the before start of the program, this means before declaring a class, you have to declare system.console to an alias, means give any name of the character, and by using that name of the character in the display statement, you can avoid writing console also. So let's see in the source code how we can achieve it. For that, this was a program which we have written. So here, just by declaring it to an alias or any character, let's say a, and equals to system.console followed by a semicolon, and in the display statement just include a character a, and now we will see what outputs does will show to us. For that, go to the command prompt, do the compilation by writing csc and giving the name of the program within cs extension and click OK. So here it hasn't generated any error. So the use of an alias has been done successfully. Now we will run the exe produce the name of xyz and see the output. So here it is successfully displaying the output just by introducing an alias in the program. So this is another way by which we can write the program, but this is not the in which programming does, but we have shown that you can also do just by using system.console by declaring it to a variable a. Now coming to the last part of our question, comments. Comments are nothing but an informative or a text which gives information to the reader or the person which is going to maintain the code in the absence of the coder. So this comments plays a very useful role in that phase. So these comments include the useful text which makes the code readable and more understandable. So all programs should have information such as implementation, details, change history, and task performed. So C# has two types of comments. The first one is the single line comment, and the second one is the multi-line comment. So we will see how this single line comment and the multi-line comment can be identified with the symbols associated them in the source code itself. If in the source code we include a comment with a double slash and thereby writing understandable text, likewise here it is written in using a equals to system.console, which which states that it has been declared to an alias, so the reader come to know that yes, it is an alias statement. So in this way the commenting done. So this is a single line comment, and the other way of doing the commenting is a multi-line comment. So if a line with these things includes, so this is called as multi-line comment. So if we want to make understand to the reader, then we have to include a multi-line comment. So in this way the comments are very much useful for both maintenance and as well as for the reader. So always try to develop a habit of including comments in your program.